Hello, everybody. We'll be talking about something. We've been talking about something lately about MSP and so many other things like the MSP printers and all that. And today we're going to bring it to realistic, actually, more definitely. We have the paper actually that you have to print on, and this is what is called a color optic surface with a D motherboard and AI machine. It has an optic surface, a little optic surface on top of the paper consisting of color fragments. And this optic surface consists of the D motherboard and the AI machine. So it can interact with this computer. And when we hover this pen on the color, it prints the color definitely out. It prints and read. It reads from the computer and prints here. Once you put it on top of the color, it prints. Once you put it on top of the brown, it prints in brown. When you put it on top of the white, it prints on white. When you put it on the top of the black, it prints through the black color. So this pen actually has what is called MSP optic reader stroke printer. It's called MSP pen, modular sensory perception pen. And here we have the color shape MSP software for printers, definitely. So what is actually happening definitely is that the computer through this software communicates with the MSP pen, and the MSP pen definitely communicates with the paper optic surface, and then the print get into the paper without an ink. It's called color shape technology. You can see that in my other teachings about color shape technology or color shape engineering. We have the AI here, the AI machine here. We have the MSP here, the MSP printer. We have touch, sight, ear, speech, and smell. And then we have the color add-ons here. And then when we strike this or enable one of this, we can put the modular code of the person talking or the modular code of the text here. And then if we want to mix the color, we can mix the color here. And then after that, we can come into the query box and type please type or please print on the paper, and then we hover it on the color. First, what you have to do is you have to strike touch. For example, if you're talking speech, you have to click speech and click speech and click the color, maybe black color, and type your modular code here, and then click print here, type print here and click it, and hover this pen on the black color here, and it will be printing gradually. It's beautiful, really beautiful. And for example, if you want touch, actually touch of the text, definitely you can put touch here, enable touch, modular code of text, and mix the color, get the color, and then what you have to do, print here and type print here to print, and it will start working out here, start printing out here. So it's beautiful. Here we have something like automation. You can automate it. You can now work with the pathway AI machine, MSP pen, paper zoom. You have R18 body shape. You have R18 the color shape engineering. This is what we're using definitely. I have the MSP printer and eye perception. So it's all beautiful. Beautiful laid out through the color shape MSP software for printer, which is laid in the computer actually. It works with the MSP pen, and then you have the information printed here. It's an optic surface. So it reads and print. Beautiful. I know you enjoyed it. It's all beautiful. And we have the eye perception button then here. You can rewind, You can stop, you can play, you can fast forward, you can record, you can fast forward, and you can loop. This will take you in terms of high perceptions. The high perception, you can use it to automate the future. Like for example, if the person wants to talk in, if he enables the speech actually before he talks, you see the thing actually printing on the paper. Beautiful. This is your man, your main man, Aliyo Momot, Professor Aliyo Momot. Bye bye.